Good afternoon, all of you. Welcome to the third video lesson. In this video lesson, we are discussing about the third lesson in the sixth unit. And the third lesson is about telling an anecdote. And anecdote is a short, entertaining, true story. So it's an entertaining short story, but it's of real happenings, real incidents. And here you can see the sequences of pictures, and based on these pictures you can create a story. That's all. And the main thing we have to focus is past simple and past continuous. When we can use past simple, where we can use past continuous, what is the format, examples, all these things I'm going to discuss through this lesson. So the first one, past simple. What do you mean by past simple tense? Where we can use past simple. See, it shows a completed action. That means, past means an action that have already finished, completed. So in this situation we can use past simple, and it has a format. The format is subject plus second form of the verb, or subject plus did plus root word. As I told you, a verb, it is an action word, and each verb has three forms such as V1, V2, V3. So in past simple, we are using the second form of the verb, or V2, or did plus root word. I will show you an example. They reached the hotel. Here they is the subject and reached is the verb. And see here, reached. How we can split reached? Did plus reach. And the three forms of reach are reach. Reach is the V1 or root form. And the second form of reach is reached, V2. Third form is reached, V3. So each verb has three forms, V1, V2 and V3. In past simple, we are using the second form, reached. Another example. They went to bed. See here, they is the subject, went is the verb. How we can split went? Did plus go. And the three forms of go are go. Go is the base form or root form, that is the V1, and went is the second form or V2, and gone is the third form or V3. So in these situations we can use past simple. In past simple we are using subject plus second form of the verb or V2. And the next one is past continuous. From the name itself, it is clear that past continuous means an action that was continuous or progressing. It was going on at that time. It shows an action that was progressing. Continuous means an ongoing. It was continuous or progressing. And the format is subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing. See, if the subject is singular, singular means only one, we can use was. And if the subject is plural, plural means more than one, we can use were. And the verb should be in the ing form. If you are adding ing to the verb, it means that that action is continuous. Here are the examples. He was reading a book. Here he is the subject. He means only one person, so it is singular. If it is singular, we can use was. And reading a book, reading, read plus ing, verb plus ing. He was reading a book. And in the second example, they were sleeping. Here the subject is they. They means more than one, so it is plural. And were, if it is plural, we can use were. And sleeping, sleeping means sleep plus ing, verb plus ing. So past continuous means an action that was continuous or progressing, and the format is subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing. Now in some of the situations we can use both past simple and past continuous together. That means one action was going on and Another action was interrupting. See, I was walking in the mountains when I heard a noise. Here the continuous action was I was walking. I was walking in the mountain. This was the continuous action and it was interrupted by another action. What is another action here? I heard a noise. See here, I was walking. Was verb plus ing. Here the verb is walk, walk plus ing, walking. Then when I heard a noise, heard is the second form of hear. See another example. I was reading a book when my mom came home. I was reading. This is the past continuous action. And when my mom came home, this is the past simple action. See, two actions are happening. This was the continuous action and this was the action which was interrupted. I was reading a book when my mom came home. Came is the second form of come. See, the three forms are come, came, come. The next example, they were playing when they heard a sound. Here they is plural, more than one, so the verb is were playing. Play plus ing. When they heard a sound, heard, this is the second form of hear. The three forms are hear, heard, heard. So these are the situations where we can use simple past and past continuous together. I will attach a worksheet. Thank you.